Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to extract and decompress files from a zip archive in Power Automate. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log into your Power Automate account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can create and manage all your automated workflows. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar of your screen and click on the Create option. This will open up several flow creation choices. From the menu that appears, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow allows you to trigger automations manually whenever you need them. Next, select Manually Trigger a Flow from the options presented and then click the Create button to set up your new flow. Now that your flow is created, you'll see the canvas where you can add actions. Click the plus icon to add your first action. In the search bar that appears, type Get File Content. For this example, we'll be working with SharePoint, so click on the SharePoint connector when it appears in the results. This action will allow you to retrieve your zip file from your SharePoint site. After selecting the SharePoint action, you'll need to input a site address in the field provided. This should be the URL of your SharePoint site where your zip file is stored. Now, in the File Identifier field, click the folder icon to browse your SharePoint directories and locate your zip file. Select it to link it to this action. Next, click the plus icon again to add another action. This time, search for CloudMersive Extract Decompress in the search bar. Scroll down through the list of available actions and take your time finding the right one, as CloudMersive offers many different actions. Once you locate it, click on Extract, Decompress files and folders from a zip archive. This is the core action that will handle the decompression of your zip file. In the first field of the CloudMersive action, click the thunder icon to select Dynamic Content and choose File Content from the list. This tells the action which file to decompress. Now go back to your Get File Content action and copy the file name. Paste this file name into the second field of the CloudMersive action. This ensures the system knows which specific file you're working with. Click the plus icon once more and search for Create File, then click on it when it appears. This action will save your decompressed file back to SharePoint. You'll need to input a site address and folder path where you want the extracted file to be saved. In the File Name field, click the thunder icon and select File Name from the Dynamic Content menu. Then add .doatex at the end to specify the file format. Finally, in the File Content field, click the thunder icon again and select File Content. This will populate the field with the actual decompressed file data. Your automation is now ready to save and run. You've successfully set up a flow that extracts files from a zip archive automatically. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.